Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm doing a little giveaway to thank you for helping me get to 100 subscribers, which is fantastic, and I'm so grateful for all your help. In the giveaway there are going to be one winner and two runner-ups. The winner could win this UV lamp along with some nail foils and two glitters, and both of the runners up could win nail foil and also two glitters. And here is the other design. Nail foils and two glitters. The giveaway starts tomorrow, the 31st of May, and ends on the 6th of June at 7 PM. This competition is for both international and UK entrants, but please comment down below, enter me in this giveaway, so then I can put your names down. But good luck to everybody that enters, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.